How to redeem a Roblox gift card. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In this video I will show you how you can redeem your Roblox gift card, so you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to redeem our Roblox gift card, first of all you can open the Roblox application, or you can also log into roblox.com from your browser. I will make sure to drop a link down below, so go to roblox.com and then make sure that you're signed into your account. Now in order to redeem our gift card, tap on the three lines from the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the three lines icon from the top left, you will enable all these options, where you have to go to the one that says gift cards, which is right next to the get premium button. Once you go to the option called gift card, you will see this kind of interface. Now basically it will ask you if you want to buy some gift cards, but we are going to ignore that and then tap on the redeem option from the top right hand side of the screen. Once we tap on the redeem option from the top right, it will take us to a page where we can redeem our Roblox code. So over here you can simply enter your gift card, your virtual item, or also your promo code. By redeeming your code, you represent that you and your parent or legal guardian, if you are under age 18, agree to the terms and use of Roblox. And depending upon whatever gift card you have, make sure to enter them correctly, all of the codes, and depending upon the value of that gift card, the codes are going to be redeemed successfully into your Roblox account. And that's all it takes to redeem your Roblox gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.